Hello and welcome back to Shadowing English Room. My name is Jack, and today we're going to do something very special. We are going to train your ears to understand real English, the English you hear on the street, in movies, in conversations, and in real life. Many learners can read English. Many learners can understand slow English. But when native speakers talk quickly, everything becomes one long sound. Too fast, too connected, too disappearing. Today, we're going to change that. Little by little, gently, calmly, your ears will begin to recognize English the same way they recognize your native language. Not word by word, but as sound patterns. Just relax. Breathe. Let your ears learn naturally. I will speak slowly, then naturally. And I'll give you simple shadowing moments so your brain can connect the sound to the meaning without stress. Let's begin. Your ears are amazing. Every day, they learn thousands of sounds. The sound of your phone, the sound of cars, the sound of your family, the sound of your own voice. But when it comes to English, your ears are still learning what to focus on. You're not bad at listening. You just haven't trained your ears yet. Real English is not only words. It's rhythm. It's music. It's flow. It's connection. Native speakers do not say every word clearly. They connect words, reduce words, and swallow sounds. This is normal. This is natural language. And today, you're going to start understanding it. I want you to listen to this sentence. I don't know what he said. Slow. I don't know what he said. Now natural. I don't know what he said. Let your ears hear the difference. Your brain learns through repetition, not by force, not by translation, but by listening. Shadow with me, slowly first. I don't know what he said. Now natural. I don't know what he said. Shadow it again. I don't know what he said. Good. Every time you shadow, your ears get stronger. You begin to hear the real shape of English. Let's try another one. Do you want to go? Slow. Do you want to go? Natural. Do you want to go? Everything connects into one smooth sound. Your ears need to get used to that flow. Shadow with me. Slow. Do you want to go? Natural. Do you want to go? Again. Do you want to go? You're training your ears to expect natural English. This is how children learn. This is how you learned your native language. By listening to a lot of connected, natural sound. Now listen to this. I'm going to study. Slow. I'm going to study. Natural. I'm going to study. Shadow softly. I'm going to study. I'm going to study. Very good. Let's talk about why this works. Your brain has two listening modes. One mode listens for clear, perfect pronunciation. That's the school mode, the textbook mode, the exam mode. But real English does not use that mode. Real English uses relaxed sounds, connected sounds, and rhythm. When you shadow, you switch your brain to real listening mode. That's why even 5 minutes of shadowing a day can transform how fast your ears understand English. Now let's practice rhythm. Listen. I'll see you later. Slow. I will see you later. Natural. I'll see you later. Shadow it. I'll see you later. I'll see you later. Good. Here's another one. What are you doing? Slow. What are you doing? Natural. What you doing? Shadow. What you doing? What you doing? Your ears are learning patterns. The more you hear them, the easier English becomes. Now let's train with longer sentences. Listen first. I wanted to tell you something, but I forgot. Natural. I wanna tell you something, but I forgot. Shadow. I wanna tell you something, but I forgot. Nice. Another one. If you need any help, just let me know. Natural. If you need any help, just let me know. Shadow. Just let me know. Just let me know. Feel the softness. Feel how English relaxes the sounds. Now close your eyes for a moment. Just listen. English is not fast. Your ears just haven't learned the patterns yet. But they are learning now, slowly and safely. Let's train ear focus. I will say a sentence naturally. Your job is to catch the rhythm, not every word. Ready? Where'd you put my keys? I can't find them. Again, natural. Where'd you put my keys? I can't find them. Shadow. Where'd you put my keys? I can't find them. Good. Now another. I've been trying to call you all day. Natural. I've been trying to call you all day. Shadow. I've been trying to call you all day. Feel how the sound slides. Your ears are getting used to this. Piece by piece, day by day. Remember this.
You cannot understand fast English by studying grammar. You understand fast English by training your ears, just like today. Now, deeper practice. I don't really know how to explain it. Natural. I don't really know how to explain it. Shadow. I don't really know how to explain it. Again. Slow breathing. Feel relaxed. Let the sound move through you. Next one. Can you help me for a second? Natural. Can you help me for a second? Shadow. Can you help me for a second? Can you help me for a second? Great. Let's do a calm listening moment. Just listen. No shadowing. Listen to natural English flow. When you listen every day, even for just a few minutes, your ears begin to understand English without thinking. It becomes familiar. It becomes natural. It becomes part of you. Now, shadow. When you listen every day, even for just a few minutes, your ears begin to understand English without thinking. It becomes familiar. It becomes natural. It becomes part of you. You're doing amazing. Before we finish, here is the most important sentence today. Your ears can learn English. You just need time and repetition. Shadow. Your ears can learn English. You just need time and repetition. Let's breathe together. You are training your ears today. Tomorrow, they will be stronger. Next week, they will be faster. Next month, you will understand natural English more than ever before. Trust the process. Trust your ears. Trust yourself. Thank you for listening and shadowing with me today. Your English grows every single day you show up. I'll see you in the next session.